So my roommate has been saying for the past few weeks that he keeps hearing this scratching noise inside here. That something is going on, and there's been these little flakes of foam insulation appearing from nowhere. Now, personally, I've been what I'm going to now describe as a little bit inappropriately skeptical, because I have heard nothing until now. I just heard it. And now I am on a crusade to document it. So I'm going to put my little sound recorder right here, and we'll see what it captures. Inappropriately skeptical. Yes, I was definitely inappropriately skeptical. Sorry, roommate.
One last year. You said before. So you gotta be careful with that. Just gotta be careful. Easy on it. See inside, it's like it's nothing,
open.
nothing there.
No.
Should be insulation. Something. Crack, you know.
There's definitely something going on with all the stuff falling out.
Oh yeah, that's another one. No, something.
Hey.
Oh.
There you
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, what'd I tell
They
you?
got the foam, you know?
Well, what's left?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, yeah.
Well, you see the hole there. I'm not sure if they go from that hole.
That's probably what it is. They're going from there and they're traveling through there. And you
Yeah.
can see that's a whole nest.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I gotta get maybe I'll get the company to come and do something about it, yeah?
Yeah, well, they're, gonna have to, because
Yeah.
otherwise it's just gonna keep pooing and
Yeah, for sure,
end up rotting the wood.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Do we have any call?
Oh, there's one.
There's one there?
There was a mouse? Oh, there it is. Hey, look. Yep.
Yeah?
It was a mouse.
Mouse?
Yep.
Oh, the mouse, eh?
Got scared. Yeah.
Oh, shit, eh?
It's definitely not a squirrel.
Okay, I'll call right now. 10.
Oh,
Probably from the other unit.
it's moving.
Yeah?
I want to bet there's babies in there.
There we go. Oh.
There it comes.
Yeah, I'll call right now. First time I see that. First time. You might have to put trap inside too, traps and all kind of stuff. And stuff,
Poison, all kinds of stuff.
all kind of stuff, yeah.
Poison is not recommended because that makes them die inside the wall.
No, they'll put probably traps. That's all I'm gonna put probably, yeah.
Well,
But I want them to just to see it, because they know what they're doing is they're.
yeah.
And then your house smells like dead bodies forever.
They try not to,
I think if you don't think they're living in your house, then you'll use poison. But if they're living in your house, there we've had a
They can come Friday. It's only it's only Thursday. Shit. I'll try for tomorrow if they can't. I'll say it's urgent,
There's more than one.
I tell you what, I'm calling for CMs. And I have a couple of houses that live inside the baseboard window.
I see 3. There are 3 here. Maybe 4.